Hey guys, I wanted to provide an update on the smoke alarm that you saw in my smoke alarm test number 2 video. Now that one was sounding sick, so I notified my landlords about it and I got a replacement. And here it is. Yep. This one actually looks really nice. It's a 10-year smoke alarm made by Kidde. The model is 20SD10. And I think it's nice. Almost looks like a commercial smoke detector that you would see in a fire alarm system, but it's not. I'm just gonna put it back on the base. Now we'll do a quick test. And there you have it.